Mauro.
Alex.
Yes, sir. How you doing this morning?
Very good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming out. So these are the stairs I wrote in about.
I recognize that from the picture.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
My wife and I, we just bought this house about 6 months ago. I have 2 big dogs. One's 110, one's 75. So
wow.
Big boys, love them to death, but you can kind of see they're scratching up the wood right now. So
yeah, I can see some scratch right there on the steps.
Long term, we want to put a seagrass runner on it.
Okay. So you're going to have a runner going up?
Long term, yes.
All right.
I painted the trim on the stairs themselves, but
okay.
I'm really not sure how to paint the stairs.
All right. Well, the paint that we use for the floors and steps is different from the paint that we're going to use for the handrails and the newer posts.
Okay.
What color do you think that you're going to use here?
My wife and I were thinking white.
Okay, you want to keep all white, like everything else around the house here?
Yep, nice
all right,
and clean.
That looks good. What kind of a sheen would you like for the steps?
I was thinking of like a high gloss.
A high gloss?
Because I believe gloss is pretty easy to clean.
It's easier to clean,
Perfect.
Especially on the steps. That's have a lot of traffic up and down. It will look nice, and it's scuff resistant. It will be good to go.
Perfect.
All right, I'm going to step out, grab some stuff. We're going to do some prep work.
I love it.
All right, I'll be
Thank
right
you.
back. All right, Alex, now it's time for the prep work.
Okay.
We're gonna use a 220 grit sandpaper for the handrails, newel posts.
Okay. And what's the benefit of sanding?
Well, sanding is gonna get us 2 very important things. We're gonna clean up, and also we're gonna open up the grain so the primer can get a very good grip with it.
Okay, so better adhesion long term.
Better adhesion.
Perfect.
All right?
Great.
Well, a little bit more right here.
Right there?
See
Okay.
a little.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Alex, what I like for you to do, just break the edges over here at the bottom and top, okay?
Okay.
Make sure it's nice and smooth. All the way down from there to here.
Perfect.
Okay? And then I'll start from the top to bottom. We're gonna do 120, and then the second round we're gonna do 220.
Okay.
Let's do 220. You do the edges again like you did the first time, and I'll start from the top again.
Let's do it.
Well, now it's time to vacuum all the steps. Let's protect the floors because all the steps are sanded nice and clean, and we do not want to see any drop of primer here.
Absolutely.
Right now. All right, time to do priming?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do this. So we're gonna start with the handrails, all right? Always from top to bottom.
Okay.
You're gonna do the top, and then you do the bottom, and then lately we do the steps.
Okay.
And we're gonna do an oil-based primer.
Okay.
Because get better adhesion for the type wood that we have,
Okay.
and for the stairs, there's gonna be foot traffic all the times. When you work with oil-based paints or primers, the best way to clean your tools, your brushes, is paint thinner. Okay, that takes care of that. If you're working with a water-based paint, warm water, a little soap, that takes care of that too. So.
Okay.
And also, this primer dries in about 1 hour, and we can start painting.
Oh, awesome.
It's a very fast dry primer. Alex, primer's dry.
Awesome.
You know what time it is?
Painting time?
Prep first.
Oh.
All right, we're gonna lightly sand everything like we did the first time.
Okay.
And then we're gonna vacuum, and then we're gonna lay down the first coat of paint.
Cool.
All right?
Sanding between coats allows for the paint to better adhere to the surface.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, we're gonna do the handrails again, but now we're doing the paint.
Okay.
We're gonna use this very durable and tough paint, specifically for handrails and newel posts, and also good for trim in general, doors, baseboard, door trim, and everything.
Okay.
All right.
So high traffic.
High traffic areas, because you guys are gonna be rubbing hands all the time, and this paint will take care of that.
Perfect. looks amazing.
Look at that, great coverage. You start seeing a little bit of a sheen. When it dries, it pops again more. But yeah, that looks pretty nice. Okay, it's time to paint the treads with the floor paint this time.
Okay.
We're going to do the same way that we did the first time. I will do the treads from the top to bottom. If you want to go ahead and start the outside edges and underneath, and we meet down here.
I like
All
it.
right, okay, let's get it done. And to paint the treads, we're just going to use this brush this time. It's going to be brush stroke. Because it's going to give us a nice, even, and a much thicker for the first coat.
Okay. So you want a thick first coat for
Yes.
durability.
It's going to give us like a nice, even finish.
Okay.
All right, Alex, the first coat is done on the handrails and on the stairs. First coat says dry, but it's not cured yet. So before you put the second final coat tomorrow, just lightly sand, vacuum, and get the work done. All right, if you need to go up tonight, make sure you get some socks on and keep the dogs away for tonight.
Okay.
Tomorrow should be fine, but today is still not there yet.
Perfect.
All right?
Awesome. Thank you so much. This was amazing.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.